Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series Math for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 86. Look at this, children. This is circle in name and this is a circle shape. Children, now you have to write the name circle on this line by yourself. Listen carefully, children. This is circle name and this is circle shape. You have to write the name in circle on this line by yourself. Look at this, children. This is square in name and this is a square shape. You have to write name square on this line by yourself. Look at this, children. This is triangle in name and this is a triangle shape. Children, you have to write name triangle on this line by yourself. This is rectangle in name, children, and this is a rectangle shape. Look at this shape, children. This is a rectangle shape and this is rectangle in name. Children, now you have to write rectangle name on this line by yourself. Children, this is octagon name and this is octagon in shape. This is octagon in name and this is octagon in shape. Children, now you have to write octagon in name on this line by yourself. Look at this, children. This is circle. This is square. This is triangle. This is rectangle and this is octagon. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, octagon. This is circle shape. This is square shape. This is triangle shape and this is octagon shape. This is rectangle shape and this is octagon shape. Children, now you have to write the name of all these shapes on these lines by yourself. This is our page number 87, children. Look at this, children. This is triangle in name and this is triangle in shape. Triangle in name is matched with triangle shape with a straight line. Likewise, children, you have to match the names with shapes. This is circle in name and this is circle in shape. Children, you have to match this circle in name with this circle in shape with a straight line. This is rectangle in name, children, and this is rectangle in shape. Children, now you have to match this rectangle in name with this rectangle in shape with a straight line. This is a square in name, children, and this is a square in shape. Children, you have to match this square in name with this square in shape with a straight line. This is octagon in name, children, and this is octagon in shape. Children, you have to match this octagon in name with this octagon in shape with a straight line. Look at this, children. You have to write the names of these shapes. This is a triangle shape, children. You have to write name triangle on this line. This is a circle shape, children. You have to write the name circle on this line. This is a square shape, children. You have to write the name square on this line. This is a rectangle shape, children. You have to write a rectangle name on this line. And this is an octagon shape, children. You have to write name octagon on this line. This was our page number 87.